Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix suspended X account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up X or Twitter in your web browser, and once you're inside here, simply tap in Twitter help, and here you'll have an option that says contact us Twitter help center. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to select a topic. Now on the first option you'll be saying locked and suspended account. Once you tap on that, scroll down, and here you'll have an option that says appeal a locked or suspended account, and under it you are currently not logged in or logged out. Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on logout and tap on logout once again, and that will log out your account. Now all you gotta do is just sign in with the account that is suspended. Now I don't have it, so I'm just gonna leave it, and your account suspended problem will be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.